after getting married, which is the most beautiful thing of my marriage is to Randeep, is he never said no.
So मैं बात कर रही थी लिन की. We are here in her cloud kitchen.
मुझे पता नहीं कितना अच्छा लगा बिकॉज मैं पका रही हूँ तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था. व्हेन आई वाज अ फैशन मॉडल मैं एक साल तक ब्रेड नहीं खाई थी. But I grew up eating that, and I wanted the people of Mumbai to have the momo that I grew up. Yes, I have never been a good listener. अगर मुझे कुछ करना है, even कोई अतरंगी भी हो, he is right there standing by me. बोले करो. And I'm very lucky, to have someone like him in my life. As a friend, as a husband, as a partner, it's so amazing to have his support and everything, because I don't think I would have been able to do this on my own solely without his support. So he loves the kheer because that's the first thing I ever fed him.
So आज मेरे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट होने वाली है जिनके क्लाउड किचन में हम आए हैं. इन्होंने नया नया अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है, फूड बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है. सो लेट्स गो एंड चेक आउट कि मैं किसकी बात कर रही हूँ. हाय लिन.
Hi, welcome.
सो मैं बात कर रही थी लिन की. वी आर हियर इन हर क्लाउड किचन. नेम इज अकोई. सो हम मणिपुरी में कैसे वेलकम करते हैं लिन, आप बताओ.
Kurumjari.
खुरुमजरी. ओके,
Kurumjari.
खुरुमजरी. Thank you.
Go.
Okay, so Lynn, this is your team. This is the Cloud Kitchen. Oh my God, lovely to meet all of you. And now, can you introduce them?
Yeah, that's Ajay. He's
Hi,
the
Ajay.
supervisor.
Okay.
That's Ganesh. That's Chef Anil, Chef Paikomba, and Chef Lou, and that's Chef Premananda.
Wow.
So this is a small team, and they make the lovely food that everybody's been talking about, and eating and all of that. Yes.
Wow. और मैं अगर पूछूं तो यहाँ पे सबका फेवरेट वाला जो डिश है ना, वो कौन सा है?
Huh. What's your favorite dish?
Gutia Bibata Senju.
Singju. Singju.
मैंने बहुत सुना है सिंजू के बारे में.
Yeah, you'll get to taste.
Oh wow. And आप लोगों का?
Aloo chop. Aloo chop is something that we're going to try today.
Okay.
Do you want to make? You can see.
Yes, I can. I can.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You can get your hands a little dirty and we can make some.
And
aloo
what
chop.
is Lynn's favorite?
My favorite is Singju.
Okay.
All-time favorite.
Huh.
I love, this is one of the reasons I think why this is Akoi is live and it's in the business right now is because the love for the food that I, come from, the place that I come from, Manipur.
Right.
So, and I just couldn't wait for the people to try.
Right. And we love women in business. Right. So, हम क्या पहले करने वाले हैं लेना?
Chef,
So here are all the preparations.
Yeah.
So
this
let's
is
see.
the ingredients of Singju. This is Singju is a mix of raw vegetables and condiments. We use different condiments. So today we're gonna use lotus root. This is comprect. It's a water like a water spinach, and this is also a water vegetable. This is methi, young methi leaves. This is cabbage. This is
Let me guess. Oh, I was going to say papaya.
yeah.
Raw papaya. Yeah.
Yeah, and this is, you can guess.
Onion.
No.
A banana.
Yes, banana flour.
Rice. Oh my God. Eat वाली होती है मेरी.
Huh. Then this is a rajma that we get in back home in Northeast.
Oh,
So
okay.
people eat a lot. So this adds a little umami flavor. And
The shape is bit different. Yes. Than regular rajma. No?
yeah, and we have these condiments which enhances all the flavor that goes into this. So this is toiding. Toiding is like a sesame, black sesame, but this is slightly different. A lot of Asian people use it, but Manipuri use it for Singju and other dishes. And this is matar. So this is fried matar with roasted and little coarsely ground. And this is chana, and this is besan, all roasted.
All
and chili
roasted.
flakes.
Okay.
Yeah. And so let's make some Singju. You wanna join me?
Can I sit? I
So I'll be talking in Manipuri every now and then because
ठीक है. मुझे भी थोड़ा कुछ कुछ बोलना.
because my staff, some of them are from Manipur, and you want to wear gloves so that you can get
Right.
your hands dirty. That's the whole fun. So this is typically a snack time
Right.
salad.
Yeah.
So usually people eat salad for healthy reasons, but in Manipur it's more of a fun
Oh.
snack time salad. So it's a spicy, it has that flavor, fun. So start adding these things one by one.
Okay. First I will add cabbage.
Sanji. Perfect.
Okay. Then raw papaya.
Yeah.
Then I will mix this.
Banana flour, yes.
Flowers. Then lotus stems. Then the kidney beans rajma.
Mhm.
Especially this is
From
from
Manipur.
Manipur. And this is what?
This is water spinach, comprek.
Okay. That's methi leaf.
Yeah.
Okay. And these?
Yeah. You can put everything. Just
Okay. Everything here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now everything goes there.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so much fun.
So this is the interesting part. We're gonna season it with some sesame, some fried mutton, some roasted, and some basil, which is roasted again,
Okay.
and some chili flakes. Depends on how spicy you want it to get, and some salt.
So,
It tends to get a little salty
Acha.
on its own, so we use very little salt.
Okay. Okay.
So
And all desi ingredients used, right?
everything is found in Manipur, and we source some of the ingredients, but we also have, like, we try to use as much local stuff as possible. So Bombay, actually, it's surprising how get it, like they use a lot of lotus root.
Yes.
So yeah, so they have, like, then methi is from Bombay. Then some of the stuff that is from this is papaya is definitely from Bombay. So the little ingredients that we use is the sesame seed, that's from Manipur. So we have tried to bring in different states together like this. And now the fun part is to mix it like this.
Huh?
Yeah, you can mix it.
Okay.
Yes,
So
perfect.
this is actually the fun part.
Yeah.
More,
Yeah, more sesame.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, then more lunch.
And the crunch.
मुझे लगता है मैं अगर इसको घर पे भी ट्राई करूंगी तो ये सारे जो मसाले हैं ना वो नहीं आ पाएंगे इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो है वो.
So we try.
Okay, then I will also try.
It's very different, I'm sure.
Is there also flaxseed or something?
So that flavor comes from this roasted sesame, and the crunch comes from this fried things. Right. And we put little more fried mutton. Well, there you go.
And then chips. Regular chips. You have to do chips. Okay. Two pals.
It has this sweetness, then the freshness,
Crunch.
and the crunch.
Yeah.
And you get that umami flavor from all the...
It's really delicious. अब मुझे समझ में आया कि लोग इतनी तारीफ इस सैलेड की क्यों करते हैं.
you know now why
I know now.
this is
And
my
that's your favorite.
Yes.
And if we talk about Randeep's favorite,
Randeep loves this, but he's got many favorites because I keep feeding him. He loves the kheer that I made, which you'll get to try.
oh my god. Surprise per surprise.
So he loves the kheer because that's the first thing I ever fed him.
No, I will remove
Yeah,
this.
please.
Yeah.
So that was the first thing that he ever tried, and he said, "Ki ye kya banaya tumne?" Because he's from Haryana, and he has a sweet tooth. So I said, "Kya banao iske liye?" I mean, wo banaya, and he loved it. And he said, "Ki ye kya color dala hai?" Then he got very intrigued. Then he wanted his parents to have. So I cooked for them. They loved it. So that is something that I can't go wrong with purple rice kheer, chakhao kheer.
Chakhao kheer.
Yeah.
Name is Chakhao kheer. Okay. तो कब चखा रहे? चिड़े
इसके बाद
एक और के बाद.
एक और चीज करेंगे, which is another favorite of mine, which goes really well with the singju. So we're gonna make bora.
बोरा.
बोरा is a fritter. जैसे पकोड़े होते हैं, but हमारे में बहुत celebration, बहुत importance दिया जाता है. अच्छा, yeah, we eat bora throughout the year. We don't wait for the rainy season, monsoon to happen. We eat
लाइक
bora.
जैसे मुंबई में भजिया स्पेशली
Yeah.
मॉनसून के टाइम पे लोग
या हाँ, जैसे बहुत लोग इंडिया में
हाँ.
भजिया जब खाते तब बारिश नहीं
होती है,
बट
जब बारिश होती है तो लोग खाते हैं, बहाने ढूंढते हैं
हाँ जी बट हमारे उधर रोज खाते हैं. So we'll make some bhajia, and the interesting part is we making it with. So we make bhajia with chives. So this is garlic chives, which you don't get in Bombay. Even if when you no, you get it very rarely because people don't use this. So it has a very interesting flavor, and we use this for everything back home. So I wanted you to try something new, and how was that? Okay. Oh,
एंड देयर इज जस्ट हल्दी नमक इन दिस.
so yeah, no, we do put some spices. Yeah, but not too much. Okay. But डालते हैं थोड़ा सा. So they're very light and very, very tasty.
और वो भी गरम गरम
गरम गरम बनना. So it cooks really fast. So we have to we have to be very active while making this.
सो लिन अकोई को कितना वक्त हो गया आपने स्टार्ट किया?
It's just not even been a year, month. Actually, हाँ, 1 महीना नहीं हुआ है अभी हमको. अभी I think we are few weeks. 24th we started.
ओह
So we started. Yeah, it's not even been a month, but we're doing fairly well, I would say, and that's because of my team, and we try to be as authentic as we can in bringing in the ingredients and the food. We don't compromise on the authenticity of the food.
food, yeah. So you come here every day, you supervise, you look after everything. How does the entire this thing work?
I am here most of the days.
Yeah.
I come in the morning. I spend time with my staff. I love interacting with them. I talk to since we are also very new, what we do is sometimes we make mistakes. Sometimes we're not consistent. So we try to improvise all of that. And the best thing about my team is they are ready to do रात को भी बोलेंगे 12 बजे कि यार ग्रेवी नहीं ठीक थी. So they'll start remake the whole process again. So that's something I really like about my team, and they're very, very cooperative that way. And मैं रोज आती हूँ, इनके साथ खाना खाती हूँ, चाय पीती हूँ.
क्या बात.
Yeah, I'm here most of the time.
सो ऑन दैट नोट आप रुक जाओ और मुझे पहले इनसे बात करने दो कि ये लिन मैडम कितनी स्ट्रिक्ट है, ये बताओ.
Not at all. No stress.
नॉट एट ऑल.
Very efficient.
किसको पहली बार डांट पड़ी है? कभी डांट पड़ी है या नहीं?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं आना.
ये अभी तक क्या है, बट ऐसे प्रिपेयर्ड हो जब डांट पड़ेगी आप लोग तो जस्ट ऑन अ फन साइड.
We are ready for it.
रेडी?
Anytime we are ready for it.
ओके. व्हाट्स हर बेस्ट पार्ट?
That's why she's very friendly. She cooperates with us. Whatever we say, we just do it. But and no owner sits with us, have food with us. That's very good.
I love their food. That's why I come. So रोज घर में को पूछते हैं मैम क्या बना हुआ है. नहीं, मैं कोई जा रही हूँ, मैं किचन जाके खाऊंगी because they make such tasty food. आप आना. क्या दाल बनाते हैं? Where's Premananda? There you go. He makes the best dal. Oh my god! And Chef Lou is a meat champion. So we have specialized, like Paikomba is specialized in Singju, which is he makes really good one. And he is
So then I think you should taste that जो हमने बनाया है and you should tell us कि कैसा है. चलो चलो अभी टेस्ट करो, अभी बताओ हमें. Let's see. उधर देख कर. Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Okay. Approved. Thank you. Okay. So now this is ready, Lynn. Right?
so yes, please try. This is the fresh. Yeah, aloo hai.
Okay. ये बहुत ही गर्म है और एक
गरम।
छोटा सा पीस उठा
हाँ, ये ले लो, दिस इज गुड।
एंड इसका नाम आप मुझे एक बार और बताओ।
Garlic chives, it's
Garlic chives.
Kuppi.
ना
Kuppi, yeah.
ना कुपी। ओके। हम्म।
It melts in your mouth.
Actually, it's so crispy and so tasty, you know. I think all of you should try this. Na kupi,
Kuppi, nakpi.
na kupi bora. And what next?
We're gonna do some momo,
Momo?
which is
That's my favorite.
yeah.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, so we're gonna give you कौन सा डाला? Chicken momo. So हाँ, इसमें रख दो.
तो मोमोज रेडी हो रहे हैं अभी।
Yes.
एंड अगर मैं मोमोज की इंग्रेडिएंट्स की बात करूँ तो जनरली वो सारी चीजें स्टीम्ड होती है, लेकिन अखोई के मोमोज की क्या स्पेशलिटी?
So momo is something that we grew up eating, and when I came to Bombay, momo बहुत मतलब I came to Bombay long back ago, तो momo ढंग से मिलती नहीं थी.
अग्री।
क्योंकि the one which we used to eat at home वो मिलती नहीं थी. I used to get really frustrated and wait for a year, like 6 महीना रुको, 1 साल रुको, उसके बाद मैं घर जाती थी हॉस्टल से. So we figured that इधर जो मोमो मिलते हैं अभी भी, it's very improvised in whatever way they want. So but we
कहीं वो ठीक से पके हुए नहीं होते, कहीं की चटनी उतनी टेस्टी नहीं होती है।
कहीं कुछ अच्छा होता है तो और अभी मोमोज में भी इतने वेराइटीज आ गए हैं. I am not familiar with because I grew up eating steamed momo.
Puri momos, there's like different kind of flavor.
Yeah, they're nice, but I'm not like, I wanted to keep momo. When I thought about it, I said, why am I keeping momo? I said, momo, even though it's not Manipuri, but I grew up eating that. And I wanted the people of Mumbai to have the momo that I grew up. Yes. So today we're steaming some
Momos. Chicken momos?
chicken momo.
Yeah. So, wow. Like, और भी कोई होता जिन्होंने पहले आपका खाना टेस्ट किया है, उनसे मैं जरूर पूछती, बट हाउ वुड यू रेट योरसेल्फ एज अ कुक इफ आई आस्क?
Cook. Oh, actually, ये बंद कर दो. हाँ, ये निकाल दो. एक second.
Yeah.
So this is our next surprise. I don't want to reveal it now. So yeah, I started cooking very late. I mean properly cooking. I used to cook at home, but I was too little to understand what is cooking and what is culinary, what is Manipuri food ingredients. मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आता था. So when I started modeling, I used to starve myself. For days I will not eat. मैं when I was a fashion model, मैं 1 साल तक bread नहीं खाई थी. I had not tasted bread. I had not tasted carbs. So it was not the healthiest thing to do. But yeah, my profession demanded, I wanted to do that, all of that. वो सब हुआ. But I started learning cooking after I came back, and people started appreciating. मुझे पता नहीं कितना अच्छा लगा because मैं पका रही हूँ तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता था.
सबसे अच्छा क्या बनाते हो आप?
I cook utti very well. Utti is a dal, that Manipuri dal. Yellow मटर होता है ना, उसको बनाती हूँ मैं. So I cook vegetarian very well. Then I make kheer very well, which is my husband's favorite. And also he loves vegetarian food. Randeep loves my utti. So those were the first thing that I fed him when I started cooking, introducing him to Manipuri cuisine. So yeah, I mean people like it. मुझे पता नहीं, मुझे तो लोगों का खाना अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ.
But I enjoy feeding people.
But apart, that's a great quality. Enjoy feeding people because I'm sure you are a great host. आपको बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला होगा, मैं तो मतलब आधे शूट के बीच आपको बोल सकती होंगी. But apart from Manipuri cuisine, what is one thing which you can't just live without eating that particular thing?
I love Bengali food and I love dal makhani. It's my favorite. That's my favorite. और खाली मैं शादी में जाती हूँ, कहीं function में जाते हैं, the first thing I ask, दिया dal makhani है कि? So that's something that I love in Mughlai. I mean the North Indian cooking. तो और मुझे अच्छी लगती है बंगाली खाना तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक आई रियली लव. I also love South Indian cuisine, like, appam and all of that. Like, I got to learn all these cuisine when I was much older in life. So I started enjoying everything and went to those places where they serve the best food. Like, I am very fascinated with local cuisine, which are authentic. Even undio. Undio is my winter favorite. Every year I get undio, like, इतना बड़ा और मैं हफ्ते भर खाती हूँ रोज से मतलब मेरा कुक बोलते हैं वो खत्म हो गया है. So these are things that I've learned, and I'm also expanding my culinary palettes, so it's interesting.
एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट स्ट्रीट फूड, तो इसमें मुंबई में क्या बेस्ट लगता है स्ट्रीट फूड?
I love bhel puri.
Yeah.
Bhel puri and pani puri is one thing that I can't live without. गोंगूर करके एक जगह है जुहू में. गोंगूर. These are typical Bengali, बड़े पुचके में करके देते हैं. And also bhel puri. That's my evening snacks. You're definitely.
तो आज हम ये वाला स्ट्रीट फूड ट्राई करें.
This is chicken momos, and these are our Akoi special chutney. That is like very
And this is made of?
peanut, tomato,
The color is very different.
yeah, peanut and sesame. So it has a lot of interesting stuff.
And if I, okay, let me first.
You're not supposed to break the momo. You're supposed to put the whole thing in your mouth. Abhilash. मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी, आप खा लीजिए.
ये मैं ये खा लेती हूँ, उसके बाद now you teach me. But मैं मोमोज ऐसे ही खाती हूँ because the
That's a very sophisticated way of eating. I'll show you how to eat the desi way. ऐसे लिया, हाथ से लिया, ऐसे किया.
अभी तो मेरे हाथ में प्लेट दी ना, चलो.
So the juices is completely in your mouth.
So लेन ने मुझे ये सिखाया है, so I am going to. Okay. ये मेरे मुंह में आ जाएगा.
आएगा, don't worry.
गरम तो नहीं है ज्यादा.
That's how you eat momos. We have the last surprise that I really am very keen on showing you this because no one tried it. ये मैं शेफ के साथ में ऐसे we were discussing one day like menu में क्या रखे which is not very Manipuri but people of Mumbai will like it. So we were trying different things and we came up with chakhao bao, right chef?
चखाओ
Bao. Chakhao is the purple rice.
purple rice.
Purple rice bao. So in Bombay, I don't think you have seen anybody doing this.
मैंने नाम पहली बार सुना भी है वैसे.
So here you go.
बाव तो आजकल काफी फेमस हो गया है.
But this is purple rice bao.
Wow. So this is chakao bao.
Yes.
Made of royal rice.
Yeah, purple rice.
From Manipur.
Rice. Yes.
Manipur.
From Manipur. Yeah. It's quite hot, so we need to cool it down. So we have filled it with chicken.
Thank God इसे एक बार में उठा के नहीं मैं बच गई.
So chef, come here. What all have we put in this?
Inside stuffing is chicken and upper coating is flour and purple rice.
Rava and such flour.
So flour is made of purple rice. We do mix some rice flour or something, no?
No, purple rice will grind it properly.
Oh. So they grind the purple rice
Right.
and mix with normal atta ka flour.
Okay, and
So it's yeah.
so
These are the condiments.
Okay.
So this is what I love.
chili oil, right?
Yeah.
Chili oil.
So chakao also is called forbidden rice.
Okay.
Why it was called forbidden rice in Manipur is because only kings and royalties used to eat this rice. And it's also very expensive. But I wanted to bring something that is ours to here, which was forbidden, but now it's available for everybody.
And this is really yummy and awesome.
It's very rich. You can eat just one and you can feel full. But these are the things that I really wanted to bring in for people back here. Like, I grew up in Bombay. Like, I think I've been here for almost 2 decades because I grew up here. But I'm still very connected to my roots, and I wanted to tell this story to people of Mumbai. We have tried this बहुत बार, I think at least 7-8 times. We have not cracked the deal, not cracked the recipe at all.
और सबसे ज्यादा कौन से इस मैं बाऊ के बारे में बोल सकता सबसे ज्यादा टाइम लगा इसको ही एक्सपेरिमेंट करी दिमाग बनाने में
The other dishes were already we knew. I knew what I need to get, the singju, the bora, the utti, the iromba, all that I knew. But these were something that I was bringing in, just doing it for my people in Bombay who love to try different things. So purple rice is also considered to be very healthy. So a lot of people eat this for health reason.
ओके
And this is available to everybody now in Bombay.
विच इज अ ग्रेट थिंग सो मतलब जो भी ऑर्डर करने वाले हैं अखोई से तो उनको ये जरूर करना चाहिए आई वुड से दैट ओके टॉकिंग अबाउट क्लाउड किचन हो गया सारी चीजें हो गई व्हेन कैन वी सी द रेस्टोरेंट्स
I think we all are waiting for that moment. We are working. Also, why I chose to do Cloud Kitchen was because I didn't have enough, I won't say confidence, but I wanted to test the water a little bit, how it's going to be, how people will like our food. And
no it's okay
how people will like our food. That was my first concern. Not worry, but concern. So अभी मुझे थोड़ा थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आने लगे when people write us review, feedback देते कि ये आज अच्छा नहीं था, oh this was amazing, तो हम भी सीख रहे हैं. And I want to हाथ पक्का हो जाएगा ना सबका, तब मुझे खोलना है. But it's coming very soon. We've already started developing the idea of how to get into. But Akhoi was a model, this was designed to be like this in a business wise. Also, we wanted to the investment had to be smaller because it was coming out from pockets. We don't have any investors. We don't have anybody. So it was solely through what I want to do. So I didn't want to tie up with anybody else, but I wanted to fuel my passion and make it just into a dream. And talking about business and women,
yeah
so we are very careful when it
in
comes to
business.
women in business. We're very careful with money. So this was always when we started also, this was always a model कि cloud kitchen करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद हम जाएंगे restaurant में, because उसमें आपको पता चल जाएगा क्या है आपका scalable business module जो है.
And I can proudly now say that we are the first one to come inside this cloud kitchen and
Oh yes,
yeah
yeah. So you guys are the first one who have come into my kitchen with my team and try the food, cook the food, and enjoy.
enjoyed love the chakhao bao देखो मुझे नाम भी बिल्कुल अभी
याद हो गया.
याद हो गया so Shinzu
Singju,
Bora
Momo,
momos and chakhao
and next time you have to come for the thali. We're very popular for our thalis. Yeah.
so thalis you guys also deliver
Yes, we deliver thali. So our highest rating is thali, right?
wow so next time
Next time.
okay and what's next is there anything else
You have to try the kheer.
and then after that we will go up yes okay so इस खीर के साथ हम यहाँ ऊपर आ गए बिकॉज नीचे किचन में बहुत गर्मी हो रही थी एंड वी थॉट कि व्हाई नॉट सिट हियर इन द एसी एंड टॉक्स जो इसकी क्या स्पेशलिटी है इस खीर की
So this is the first dish I think I made for Randeep. It holds a beautiful meaning for me, especially, and he loves it. Ever since I cooked this at home, we stopped cooking safed wali kheer. So it's just lovely. So this has I use 2 types of milk, that is coconut milk and the normal cow's milk. And it has I put a lot of, this is my concoction and my translation of the kheer that I learned and I ate as as somebody who enjoys eating kheer. So दोनों mix करने के बाद it gets a very interesting flavor, and I don't know how to explain that, but a lot of people appreciated, they loved it, and they said you have to have this on the menu. हमारे इसमें dessert एक ही dessert है Akhoi में, and that is this.
That is this.
And I really want you to try, and I hope you like it.
So I can call it Lynn's special kheer. It was so loved by Randeep Huda. Yeah. Thanks. So I'm going to try this. Oh wow. There is no rice in this.
There is rice, but ये थोड़ा सा पतला बनाते हैं हम लोग because it's too flavorful. So we make it little patla, and it gets thickened as you chill to try this. Yes.
What is this? I mean, seriously, it's simply amazing. Wow.
अच्छा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा because it's not too sweet also.
Right.
There's some flavor which I think because of the coconut milk and all. And so smooth.
Yeah. There is no fresh coconut. There is rice. The purple rice is there. The color comes from that.
Ah,
So yeah.
the same purple rice.
Yeah, the
which
same.
is used in the bar.
Yes. So we cook that, and it takes very long to cook. So, and it's made fresh every single day.
So highly recommended. And actually, after Bao, this is my favorite from Akhoi.
Yeah.
Wow. Seriously. So, now tell me how you are enjoying, Lynn, this your entire food business and this journey, new journey of yours.
I don't feel that I'm at work at all. So how I started and why I started, let's start with that. I have been living in Norway for a very long time. I studied here, my FY, SY, all that. I did all the high school and college, and my career in modeling and acting. Everything has been here. So I'm very fond of Bombay. And but there was one thing that was always missing, and that is the food that I grew up eating. And my mom used to make lovely uti on a on a Sunday, in a beautiful day. Like she would make uti and just a bora and fry papad, and we would just have that for lunch, And that was something that I was missing. And when I got got back to Bombay after my modeling in New York, I started eating a proper food. So I learned one by one, like dishes wise, I learned how to make, like I would call my mom. Just understand our culinary through the hierarchy of how to cook, or the, understanding ingredients and all of that. So that started happening, and I started experimenting with friends. So I would call my friends. So Singju was one thing that I always made it with uti. So like I have a lot of friends who still depend Singju. We want to eat your Singju and this and that. And so they would make all plans. So that's where I gained my confidence. And these friends, they became very close to me because I lived away from home for so long that I found a family. So they completely boosted my passion. And they kept saying that, Lynn, you must bring this oud to entire Bombay. And you have to do this, you have to, there's no other way. Because I love feeding people. And har Sunday, when I used to get off, I used to cook kilos and kilos of food.
Everyone.
Yeah, and I would not even call them. I would just send them out food. So Randeep used to ask me, कि तू 5 घंटे से तो खाली खाना बना रही, क्या बना रही है? And I was saying, I'm just sending out to friends. So I have different dabbas. अलग-अलग shape के डब्बे होते हैं हमारे घर में. So vegetarian के घर में vegetarian जाएगा, non-vegetarian के घर non-veg जाएगा. So I have been like that, and मेरे अभी भी डिब्बे पड़े होंगे किसी के घर में तो. So that gave me so much, that boosted what I wanted to do. And after getting married, which is the most beautiful thing of my marriage is to Randeep, is he never said no. अगर मुझे कुछ करना है, even कोई अतरंगी भी हो, चाहे कोच भी हो, he is right there standing by me. बोले करो, करना है करो, चाहे fail हो जाओ तू उस पे, but you have to do it. Try girl. So that is the kind of partner I got, and I'm very lucky, to have someone like him in my life as a friend, as a husband, as a partner. It's so amazing to have his support and everything, because I don't think I would have been able to do this on my own solely without his support. So I feel really, really great to have him, even though he doesn't understand food much. मैं जो खिलाती हूँ उसको देख कर सभी अच्छा लगता है.
Is he most of the time on diet?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's one more thing that he can't enjoy too much of what I cook or what I want to feed him. But जब वो आते हैं shoot के बाद, after months, so I would love to. I cook him, I cook all his favorite dishes and मुझसे कि ये बनाए ये बनाए पहले दो, like he'll the first time, whenever he comes back from shoot, he'll say कि मुझे घर का खाना खाना है. That will be dal, मेथी एंड the हरियाणवी का गाजर बनाते हैं वो खाना है उसको, and chutney and salad, and this we feed him that, so me and my cook at home, we get very excited to feed him more of that. Then फिर आता है कि क्या खाओगे next, उसके बाद एक करके खिलाते हैं. So I mean, it is, we never thought that we would do this. So I want to share this something very lovely. So this Sunday I took an off from the kitchen. I told Anita ki I'll take an off, like let's spend the day and all of that. So I do usually Sundays ko hum log pizza order karte the. Pizza, something not so healthy. So I said, let's order from McCoy. So we opened the delivery app and we ordered. And we both were looking at each other and we said, did you even imagine that we will be doing this? We do full picnic, bichha ke, full picnics are on bed. We watch something and So that was something that we both became oh my God, we achieved something. So, yeah. And I would like to credit him for that.
So जब ये अकोई का आइडिया जब आपने पहली बार सोचा था, सो आप मतलब रणदीप से ही शेयर किया होगा पहले ये आइडिया, किससे किया था शेयर, that you wanted to pursue something like this?
No, it was there in my head that someday I will start, but I didn't know when that would be. I saw a lot of places also, but मेरे अंदर confidence नहीं था. To be precise, I was not confident with what I'm feeding people, how am I going to do this, how it's going to happen. Like it used to burden me. And so it's like slowly, I started talking to Randeep, and he said, Karo, if you want to do it, I'm here to support you. But it also took me a while to start something like this because I didn't know how to go about it. I mean, I didn't know the business aspect. I didn't know, what to bring in and what to feed. What if people don't like? I didn't know, chefs ko kaise hire karte. Kuch nahi malum tha. So every day when you ask me, Niche, ki, do you come here every day? Yes, I come here every day and I learn every single day. It's my classroom. And I hardly get to spend time with Randeep now because of my new profession, new journey. But he's very adjusting, so I tell him today I'm getting off a little early. So I have to adjust, right? So ye jo hai, ye sare kuch, that's why it took time for me because I'm also learning on the job.
And what was the most difficult and what was the most easiest part of starting this food business?
Oh, everything was very difficult.
Yeah. सबसे difficult क्या था? Staffing or like what?
Yes. Hiring staff was one of the most challenging part of the business because I wanted to stick to very authentic Manipuri cuisine, dishes and ingredients. So I got traditional cooks, traditional Maidai chefs who cook only, professionally like this. But when I realized that ये तो मैंने गलती कर दिया because they are used to cooking open fire. So उसमें मैं fail हो गई. एक और जन को लाया and didn't work out. But lucky then after at a point I met this Manipuri boy who's also like a chef. He studied in Italy, Italian culinary school and all of that. And somehow I just landed up meeting him in Delhi. And I said, hey, are you interested in doing this with me? He said, yeah. And it was just like a, fate that wo mila and everything started falling in place. And he's like, oh, let's do it. His name is Chef Nikesh Asem, who's like really like trying to bring like he stopped cooking Italian I think now, but he's like full on spreading awareness, and he's teaching in hotel management schools and all of that. So it's very interesting that this small state called Manipur has this unique food culture, and like we're trying to spread awareness of our people.
And when it comes to work life and balance, so what Lynn do for that? Like, how do you balance?
I have like my partner is obviously is very busy most of the time, and what we do mostly is, and I just is not the only job that I manage. I have another business that is jewelry. I have also like I have a page that I manage. Then I also am with my modeling agency called Inega. So now I've stopped auditioning for a lot of things because I want to focus on I want to establish this and restart my other things. I still have a movie to release called Bantikki with Abhay Deol and star cast like Sabana Ajmeji and Zined Aman and all these like beautiful. So I am also parallelly doing too many things. But I enjoy working. Randeep loves sporting. He always told me that I'm married to my acting career. And that's something, it was really the only way to keep up with him is to find my own dreams, and which he supports me fully. I don't like to sit. I get very restless. I have to have something to do. अगर कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं काम तो मैं साफ करने में लग जाती हूँ या कुछ समथिंग ऐसा मैं गार्डनिंग करने लग जाती हूँ पूरा दिन आई गो एंड डिग मट्टी एंड दिस एंड सो वी बोथ आर like minded in a way, but balancing is something that you've taught, and it's very very important, especially when you're married or even if you're single, balancing work, because it gets very stressful and taxing, definitely. So we like to go away from here. God has given, we've been fortunate that we can, take a break and take a break for 10 days, 1 week, and just be cut off from everything. And that boosts your energy again.
And what has been the most rewarding part about being an entrepreneur?
Working for yourself. I don't have to listen to any boss. I don't have any boss. I have never been a good listener. I think all these bad habits that I have, now you're not a good listener. But I'm not a good follower. I like to do my own thing, which has also my mother used to say ki tu sunti nahi hai, you're very zitti, you're madrasa magi there you, right? You're very stubborn, you think one track minded, and that has, I think, all those bad traits that I had, I think I have come to this level. So I think kuch na kuch to acha hua wo trait mein.
हमारा रल्ली क्या कहता है इस बारे में?
He knows that I'm stubborn.
Yeah.
He's equally stubborn, but he can be उसको melt कर सकते हैं, but मुझे नहीं. मैं एक बार सोच लिया मतलब मैं लूँगी नहीं. So very recently he told me that I discuss so many business ideas with so many people, but nothing materializes. तुमने क्या कर रहा? So these are conversations. I think he's proud of me for that. Even though it's a small little thing, small little a kitchen, small. तो मैंने बोला छोटे-छोटे जाएंगे फिर बड़ा जाके. Because I think business-wise also, I think it's more sensible to have that kind of approach, I feel. And I always play safe. I like to play very safe. So as a business person, because I've learned a lot from my other business that I've started, and I didn't want to risk a lot.
एंड मुझे एक बात जाननी थी जो मुझे पहला ही सवाल कर लेना चाहिए था, मैं अभी कर देती हूँ. दैट व्हाट डज अपोई मीन्स? कैन यू टेल एवरीवन?
Akoi is so we had a lot of brainstorming around this name, and with my brand consultant, we were discussing ki kya rakhenge, but we have a brand language which means everything, all of us. I wanted everybody. I don't want anybody to feel कि वो नहीं है, because I uh, as a girl coming from a very small community minority, I face discrimination and racism on a very different level. So मुझे पता है when you get feel different from other people, मुझे पता है how it feels. So that was something deep in my heart always, that when I do something, it doesn't matter what I do in life. I want to include everybody. Doesn't matter if you're the richest person, doesn't matter you're the lowest person. So all my staffs, they also feel like, because that's why I like to spend time. That's why I understand. So these are deep philosophies that I have in mind. And I wanted that to carry out in my brand. So Akhoi means us. You, me, him, her, everybody.
And food is something which connects all dishes for everyone. कि सबसे जो लेस अमाउंट का डिश है वो क्या है और हाई अमाउंट का वो क्या
220 is, starts with 220. And the highest, these are all most of the starters that we have. Altam ho gaya, apna Singju ho gaya, apna Bora ho gaya. These are like, momos also, not very expensive. And the highest is the combo meal, which we're reconsidering having it. But it's a full meal in itself, 1100 something. So I am reconsidering if I had to go ahead with that or not. But 550 is the minimum, like, that's the average orders that we have. And 550 is something, and you get everything in it.
Great, and it was so lovely to chat with you and to enter in that kitchen and see everything. And you are a lovely, lovely host. I have to tell you.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for being with us on the show today.